Hi, my name is Anita Savoie and I'm a realtor in Moncton, New-Brunswick. This video is a follow-up of the first one that I did about the step that you will have to go through to buy a home. Then I want to talk to the buyers. Then, is it really the right moment to buy a home for you? Okay, the first question that you have to ask yourself, is it the right moment to buy your home? If you are a couple or if you are alone, it's still the same thing. You need to think about your financial. You need to put everything on the table and have a plan. If you are a couple and your money is not in the same account, then you need to be able to know what is the expense of one and the revenue of one, and the same thing for the other. You need to put everything on the table and make sure who will pay what and how you're going to get there to be able to have your first home. Then after that, you have to look at your job. Do you really like your job? Do you want to do that for a few years? Maybe you have a paper from your employer stating that you will have your job that is permanent, that you will stay there. But if you are there only for 3 months, how do you know that you will really like your job? Okay? And being at a job for 3 months, you may not be able to be approved for a mortgage. Okay? Then you need to check your job. You need to make sure that you will be there and that it's safe for you to get a mortgage. Okay, after that, being truth with you and being honest with you, and it's a subject that sometimes we don't want to discuss. What about your couple? If you are a couple, are you okay as a couple? Do you feel that you are in a good condition? Like, what I mean by that is, what about the relationship that you have? What about the communication that you have? Okay? Is it kind of not working right now and you say, oh, if I buy a home, then everything will be okay? If you are in that kind of situation, it's not the time to buy. Just sit down together, try to make this work before, and then after, you can buy a home. Okay? And this is really important to look at. Okay, sometimes we are just cutting the corner and we are just going there, buy a home, and then after that things happen. Okay, then the other thing that I would like to talk about is, how long do you think that you're gonna be in your next house or in your house? If you are thinking about staying there for 2 years, maybe it's not a good idea. Okay? But if you are thinking about a long term, 7 years and more, then your investment in your home will be okay. But if you are there for a short term, because you know that you will be transferred for a job or for another reason, okay? Because maybe you want to go to school again and learn another course or whatever it is, okay? Then you may want to wait a little bit before you buy your home. Okay, then you need to buy a home in a long term if you want to get some money out of it. If not, it will be a mistake to get a home right now. Then I hope that these few tips here will help you to take a decision if you want to buy a home now or not. Okay, I'm a realtor. Then if you need a consultation, I can give you a free one, 1 hour, half an hour, maybe 1 hour and a half. It could be at my office, it could be a FaceTime, a Zoom, or it could be on the phone. But I'm there for you, and I will answer to your question, and I will make sure that you're taking the right decision and that it's really the time for you to buy. My name is Anita Savoie. I'm a realtor for RE/MAX Quality Real Estate Inc. in Moncton, New Brunswick. Thank you and have a great day.